In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to quickly set up the Reolink Duo 2 Wi-Fi and install it yourself. Before the setup, make sure you have the following items. And also make sure your phone is updated to the latest version of the Reolink app. To connect and power it on, first, install the antennas and securely fasten them to the camera. Then connect your camera to the router with a network cable. One end goes to the network port on the camera, and the other to the LAN port on the router. And then power on the camera with the power adapter. The next step, add your camera to the Reolink app. You have two options: add the camera automatically or add it manually. To add your camera automatically, you need to make sure your phone is connected to the same network as the camera, and the Add Device Automatically option is enabled. Then you'll see your device on the screen. You can just tap it to enter the initialization page. If you choose to add the camera manually, tap the Add Device button and scan the QR code on the camera. Or tap Input UID/IP to type in the UID number or IP address. Or tap LAN to scan all the devices within the LAN and add your camera from the device list. Note that to scan the devices in LAN, you also need to connect your phone and camera to the same network. Next, initialize the camera. Create a login password and name your camera. Choose the Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Tap Save. And you can unplug the Ethernet cable from the camera. To install the Reolink Duo 2 Wi-Fi yourself, first, check if you have the following items. Some installation tips for you. To ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal and avoid signal interference, please don't put the router near electrical devices, like mobile phones, microwaves, etc. To ensure image quality, avoid pointing the camera to direct sunlight, mirrors, or glass windows. To install the camera on the wall, first, you need to attach the mount to the camera body. Next, put the mounting hole template on the wall and drill holes as shown. Then, screw in the mounting plate with 2 screws on the top holes. Hang the camera mount to the plate and install the 3rd screw into the bottom hole to secure the camera. Lastly, if you want to adjust the viewing angle, you could loosen the adjustment screw on the joint and turn the camera. To install the camera on the ceiling, the first step is to screw the mount to the top of the camera body. And then put the mounting hole template on the ceiling and drill holes. Screw in 2 screws provided into the back 2 holes to secure the mounting plate to the ceiling. Then, hang the camera mount to the plate and install the 3rd screw. Lastly, if you want to adjust the viewing angle, you could loosen the adjustment screw on the joint and turn the camera. Any questions about the setup and installation? Don't hesitate to tell us in the comment or contact our support team.